ení bí ení, èjì bí èjì, ẹ̀ta ǹtagbá, ẹ̀rin wọ̀rọ̀kọ̀, àrún gbódó, ẹ̀fà tí èlè, bírò ń bírò, bírò ń bàtà, mùjálá kẹsàn, gbangbalẹ̀wá. When we were growing as a child, they were teaching us this song to be able to teach us the numbers in Yoruba before you even start schooling. You will be taught on how to count 1 to 10. But now, this is no more. So today, we want to look at Òǹkà Yoruba, numbers in Yoruba language. Before I proceed further, my name is Ademola Amuda, your host on Aladekun YouTube channel. 1. Ọ̀kan. 2. Èjì. 3. Ẹ̀ta. 4. Ẹ̀rin. 5. Àrún. 6. Ẹ̀fà. 7. Èje. 8. Ẹ̀jọ. 9. Ẹ̀sán. 10. Ẹ̀wá. This is where we are going to stop today. Next time, we shall continue on Òǹkà Yoruba. I remain yours sincerely, Ademola Amuda, your host. Thank you.